The Volkswagen Polo GTI gets a pretty big overhaul of its looks. New matrix LED headlights now extend a little lower into the bumper and have an illuminated red strip, which is underlined by another LED light bar that stretches the width of the grille. The bumper itself gets a more aggressive design than before as well, bringing it a bit more in line with the design of the latest Golf GTI. Things at the back are more drastic though. Just like the rest of the Polo lineup, bigger boomerang-like taillights have been introduced along with a revised bumper with a new body-colored rear diffuser. If you want a little more, you'll able to option a panoramic roof, a Beats sound system and wireless phone charging. The Volkswagen Polo GTI is still powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, but does get a bump in power to 207 horsepower, up from 200 as well 320 Nm of torque. That's still delivered to the front wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox, and it'll crack 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds as a result, which is about par for the course with this kind of hot hatch. As standard, the new Volkswagen Polo GTI comes with Travel Assist Tech, which brings adaptive cruise control and lane self-centering to the hatchback. It's not a driverless system though you'll need to keep your hands on the wheel, but it's a pretty cool piece of tech to have if you're planning a lot of motorway miles. First deliveries in the UK are likely to come early in 2022. Pricing should start around £25,000, a slight premium over the outgoing car to account for its upgraded tech and more powerful engine. Changes inside the new Volkswagen Polo GTI are pretty minimal. The layout, look and feel of the outgoing car is retained, but some new touch-sensitive buttons have been added to the steering wheel and you'll now control the climate control using the infotainment screen rather than with physical buttons. You also get a 10.25-inch digital driver's display as standard though, rather than it being a pricey optional extra.